Hi there, how are you today? In this video today we're going to look at introductions. So for example, you are in your pre-flight meeting and there may be some crew members who you don't know. So this is what you can do. First of all, you can start off by introducing yourself. So for example, my name's Aileen, pleased to meet you. You try, but put your name in it though. So, my name's pleased to meet you. Okay? My name's pleased to meet you. Or you can keep it informal by saying something like, hi there, I'm Tom. Hi there, I'm Aileen. Hi there, I'm John. Very simple. Now, after you have given your name, it's polite to find out someone else's name. So for example, you can say something like, sorry, what's your name? Again, sorry, what's your name? Good. Or you can also say this one, excuse me, can you tell me your name, please? Excuse me, can you tell me your name, please? Now, it may also be that you are in a situation where you already know someone's name and you want to introduce them as a colleague, for example. This is my colleague, and then you add in the name. This is my colleague, John. This is my colleague, Aileen. This is my colleague, Emma. Very simple. This is my colleague, add in the name. Or, quite simply, this is John. This is John. This is James. This is Alison. Any of the above will do nicely. So what I'd like to do now is move on. So you can also talk to people that you've met before. And you can say things like, hello again, how are you? And the response to that would be, fine, thanks. And you? Okay, so, hello again, how are you? Response, fine, thanks. And you? Another one is, how's it going? And the response there could be, very well, thanks. So, how's it going? Very well, thanks. Another one, how are you? And the response would be, not too bad. Again, how are you? Not too bad. And the last one is, hi there. And then an equal response would be, hi. Very simple. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Okay? Bye for now.